Flamingo Books. Enjoy with mathematics. Chapter 4. Rational Numbers.
What is rational numbers? A number of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. So every rational number is the quotient of two integers such that the denominator is a non-zero. Note: every natural number is a whole number. But 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. Not rational numbers. Numbers like 2 or pi are not rational because they can't be written as a simple fraction. Example: rational number like 3 by -7, -5 by 17, -9 by 7, 3 by 5 are rational because they are expressed as fractions of integers with non-zero denominator. 0 is rational. 0 can be written as 0 by 1, which makes it a rational number. Natural numbers are rational. Any natural number can be written as n by 1, so all natural numbers are rational. Integers are rational. Negative integers like -1, -2, -3 can also be written as fraction. Example: 1 is equal to -1 by 1, making them rational. Fractions are rational. Any fraction p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is a rational number. Positive rational number. If both numerator and denominator have the same sign, both positive or both negative, the rational number is positive. Example: 4 by 5 both positive. -6 by -7 both negative positive. Negative rational numbers. If numerator and denominator have opposite signs, one is positive, one is negative, the rational number is negative. Example: -3 by 8 numerator negative. 7 by -2 denominator negative. Properties of rational number. First, if p by q is rational number and m is a non-zero integer, then p by q is equal to p multiply m by q multiply m. Example: -2 by 3 is equal to -2 multiply by 2, divide by 3 multiply by 2, is equal to -2 multiply by 3, divide by 3 multiply 3, is equal to -2 multiply by 4, divide by 3 multiply by 4. -2 by 3 is equal to -4 by 6 is equal to -6 by 9 is equal to -8 by 12. Properties of rational number. Second, if p by q is rational number and m is a common divisor of p and q, then p by q is equal to p divide m by q divide m. Example: express -36 by 48 as a rational number with denominator. Clearly, the number is 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. Divide numerator and denominator number by 12. -36 by 48 is equal to -36 divide 12 by 48 divide 12 is equal to -3 by 4. We write -36 by 48 is equal to -3 by 4. Final answer: 3 by 4. Properties of rational number. Third, p by q is equal to r by s only when p multiplied by s is equal to q multiplied by r. to rational numbers are equivalent only when the product of the numerator of the first and the denominator of the second is equal to the product of the denominator of the first and the numerator of the second. Example: Ravi owns 3 chocolate minus 3. He shares with 8 people minus 3 divided by 8 is equal to minus 3 by 8. Ria has 6 chocolate, shares with 16 people. 6 divided by 16 equals 6 by 16 is equal to 3 by 8. But Ravi's is negative, Ria's is positive. So, minus 3 by 8 is equal to 6 by minus 16. Minus 3 multiply minus 16 is equal to 6 times 8. 48 is equal to 48, both sides equal. Compare to rational number. Step 1. Express each of the 2 given rational numbers with positive denominator. Step 2. Take the LCM of these positive denominators. Step 3. Express each rational number obtained in step 1 with this LCM as the common denominator. Step 4. The number having the greater numerator is greater. Example. Step 1. Understand the 2 situations. Neha pours 2 glasses of juice into 3 cups. So each cup gets 2 by 3 glass. Aman owns 5 glasses of juice and returns it in 8 cups. So each cup gets minus 5 by 8 glass. Negative because he is returning what he borrowed. Step 2. Make denominators the same. To compare the 2 fractions, we need the same denominator. LCM of 3 and 8 is 24. Step 3. Convert both fractions. Neha's fraction 2 by 3 is equal to multiply 8 by 3 multiply 8 is equal to 16 by 24. Aman's fraction minus 5 by 8 is equal to minus 5 multiply 3 by 8 multiply 3 is equal to minus 5 by 24. Step 4. Compare the numerators. Now both fractions have the same denominator, 24. So compare the numerators. Neha, 16 by 24. Aman, 15 by 24. Since 16 greater than minus 15, it means. Step 5. Final conclusion. 2 by 3 greater than minus 5 by 8. Answer. Neha's juice per cup is more than Aman's. Rational number between rational number. There are infinite number of rational numbers between 2 different rational numbers. Let us see how we can find rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. Example. Step 1. Write the numbers. We are given 2 rational numbers. Minus 1 by 5 and minus 1 by 10. Step 2. Make denominators the same. Find LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to 10. Minus 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 10. Minus 1 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by 10. Step 3. Convert to even smaller fractions. Multiply both by 4 to get denominator 40. Minus 2 by 10 is equal to minus 8 by 40. Minus 1 by 10 is equal to minus 4 by 40. Step 4. Find numbers between. minus 8 by 40 less than minus 7 by 40 less than minus 6 by 40 less than minus 5 by 40 less than minus 4 by 40. So, three numbers in between are minus 7 by 40 less than minus 6 by 40 less than minus 5 by 40. Absolute value of rational number. The absolute value of rational number as its positive value. It is represented as P by Q. So absolute value of 6 by 3 is 6 by 3 is equal to 6 by 3. Minus 23 by 14 is minus 23 by 14 is equal to 23 by 14. 81 by minus 79 is 81 by minus 79 is equal to 81 by 79.